Hi, beautiful people. Let's go through the 1, 2, 3 healthy hair routine with MabuTribe. So, step one is clean and nourish scalp and hair. And for this, we're going to use our moisturizing shampoo, which is rich in African black soap as well as tea tree. It's there to refresh your scalp, refresh your hair, and allow the investment you've made in great products to actually work. So, the next step would be conditioned and treated hair. Every time you wash with MabuTribe, it's a damage and repair treatment. Our deep repair conditioner is rich in shea butter. It's loaded with aloe vera gel for the healing of your hair and scalp. And we have peppermint essential oil to help with the rejuvenation of blood flow in your scalp. After washing and conditioning your hair, what's next is moisturized and protected hair. For this, we use the LOC combo in MabuTribe. The first being our hydrating mist, again rich in aloe vera gel to bring healing to your scalp and hair, as well as enrichment of moisture. And because we focus on helping your hair grow in a healthy way, peppermint essential oil is again featuring to refresh your scalp after protective hairstyles, as well as to stimulate healthy hair growth. Our hydrating mist is our light leave-in conditioner for everyday moisturizing refreshment. When you are doing the lock combo, you would then follow with our Sheer Aloe Cream, which is a thicker leave-in conditioner. The Sheer Aloe Cream is loaded with shea butter for your hair's protection and moisture and nourishment. And then we have again the aloe vera gel there to heal your scalp and your hair and to give you extra moisturization. Then last, we have coconut oil to strengthen your hair. So this leave-in conditioner is a powerhouse for healthy hair. You'd use this as a hair food, a hair smoothie for deep hair health. And after you've put in all that moisture in your hair, we lock it with our scalp and hair oil. This oil is designed to stimulate healthy hair growth while also strengthening your hair. So it's great for your scalp and it's great for the hair. It's loaded with castor oil to bring strength to the hair, and it's loaded as well with jojoba oil that mimics your natural oils in the hair. And lastly, we have peppermint essential oils to stimulate the hair. And you see, with MabuTribe, the whole range is really about growing your hair, maintaining it, and also styling it for health. Lastly, we have the nourishing pomade. This is going to be your styler that helps you maintain the health of your hair while styling it. It's there to mold your hairstyles, to create some sleek hairstyles, as well as nourish your hairline and your hair. The nourishing pomade is loaded with castor oil, with olive oil, with coconut oil, and it's really there to help you gain more shine in your hair, more strength with your hair without flakes. So this is a powerhouse styler for you to enjoy your natural crown. So the MabuTribe healthy hair care routine is all about 1, clean and nourished scalp and hair, 2, conditioned and treated hair, and lastly, moisturized and protected hair. Healthy hair can be simple. Healthy hair is available for you. We want you to enjoy your natural crown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with some friends. Thank you for being part of the MabuTribe. Cheers.